The next one of the 10 questions to show your work on test 1 is question 23. This one will take more time to understand, but make sure that you do spend the time. It is worth it. So on question 23, you are asked to find and simplify the difference quotient. So this will be provided to you. So, and then the function h is not equal to 0 for the given function. So the given function is f of x equals x squared plus 8x minus 9. So basically you are given this second portion. That's what you are given. The one that we don't have is f of x plus h. So that is the one that we need to find. So you replace the x with x plus h. So it will be x plus h squared plus 8 times x plus h minus 9. Everywhere you see the x, it will be replaced with x plus h. So now we need to make sure that we apply FOIL. You do not square the first and square the second. You need to write that down as the product of two binomials. The second one, you can go ahead and distribute the 8 over x plus h. So that becomes 8x plus 8h minus 9. And here it will be x times x, x times h times x. I like to go back and write it as xh. They're the same. H times h. And we will just bring down the other terms. You will collect like terms. So these two are like terms with an implied coefficient of 1. So this is going to be x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 8x plus 8h minus 9. So we found the first part. So this was our first step. Go ahead and find f of x plus h. So now I'm going to replace what I found in the formula for the difference quotient. So everything is going to be divided by h. And the first part is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 8x plus 8h minus 9. And then minus the original function that I am enclosing in parentheses because we need to distribute the negative that is in the original difference quotient formula. So this is equal to, it will still be divided by h. I will distribute the negative 1 that is implied, or just change the sign. So we'll write the first terms down again and followed by negative x squared minus 8x plus 9. So everything, if you did it right, everything that does not contain the letter h, it has to add up to 0. X squared minus x squared. 8x minus 8x minus 9 plus 9. So you have 2xh plus h squared plus 8h. So I recommend that you separate and each one of them is divided by h. It seems to make it easier to simplify. So h divided by h equals 1. So you have 2x left. This one you have h to the second power. So one of them is canceled or divided by the h in the denominator, but you still have 1 left. So this is plus h, followed by plus 8. And that is your final answer.